Dear customers, I'm going to show you interface of our software PINYA Guard for IT security. On the left side there is list of users that are in the group test. As you can see, there are green and gray users. Green means that user is online and gray user is offline. You can also see last online date and time. You can choose if you want to see data for the whole company or group or just specific user. There are two main categories in the interface. It's display and tools. In display there are all data stored through monitoring, and in tools you can manage and choose options. In graphs is shown preview of 10 used applications for the group test. There is a list of the applications. You can export to PDF. It's also possible to see active time. A little bit down there is top visited websites for the group test. When you click on the application, you will get list of users that use that application and how long they have been using it. In the applications you will get summary of time that were used in applications. It's for every user and you see the total time and you see active time and passive time. The same is for the internet. In summary of uses you will get information of used applications, internet and work with files. You can define and make new groups to have a better overview of the usage. Attendance is great for knowing what time user logged in and logged out. Again, you see total time and you see active time and passive time. If you want to know usage of paid licenses like Adobe Photoshop, just go to license usage, go to licenses, choose software and diagrams of usage will appear. All these categories that I just showed you were for the whole group, but you can also click on one user and get specific overview. Now you get top 10 applications that user used. The same works with websites. In device activity you see active time and passive time of the device. In the applications you will get list of apps that were used by user. You will see small image, name of application and active and passive time. It's also possible to find specific application. So just write it here and filter. PINYA Guard can also make screenshots. You will see screenshot as user saw it. These screenshots are based on alerts. So you need to go to tools and alerts. Then you need to add notification. You choose application where you want to take screenshots. Check take screenshots. If you want to be notified by email, you can check it also. And choose interval that you want to take screenshots and save. This is the internet summary. You can see small image of browser, then website, and as always there is active and passive time. You can filter browser or you can search for a web page by typing it here into blank space. Preview of summary of uses, attendance and license usage is the same as in the group preview. Very important feature of PINYA Guard is work with files. You can see type of file, path to the file, action, date and time, device type and source. It's also possible to filter all these options, or you can search for a specific file. In applications and categories, you can manage system options. You can add category or you can add application based on process. Managing of internet and categories is pretty much the same as in application and categories. You add categories or you add websites based on keywords. It's possible to synchronize PINYA Guard with users' internal settings via Active Directory. It's also possible to make a new group and put there users. When you go to filters, you can change some other options. You can change the number of items in pie charts, it's from 5 to 20, or you can change the time period, or you can show or don't show weekends. It's possible to set up monitoring time of PINYA Guard. Last key feature of PINYA Guard are reports. You can make reports and send it to your email. Choose report type, select users, choose frequency of reports, delivery time, and type your email. I hope that this video helped you understand PINYA Guard's interface. If you have any questions, please let us know.